I'm Chef Champion. Let's bring cooking back the way it used to be. Welcome to the new age of culinary learning.
I'm gonna show you guys how to make an African chicken thigh. So I got this new spice that I picked up at Frontier called harissa seasoning salt. It's a staple in North Africa as well as all the northeastern European countries too as well. We're gonna season that chicken thigh up really, really nicely, grill it to perfection, and then top that off with the mango salsa. All right, so now that we got our chicken thighs in a nice bowl, first thing you want to do is drizzle a little bit of this Bellavato avocado oil. They're right out of San Diego. They make the best organic avocado oil known to man. Avocados are really, really good for you. They're high in all the omegas, 3, 6, 9, vitamin B12. Very, very excellent. So I'm using a garlic flavor, so I'm just going to drizzle that over there. And if you don't have avocado oil, you can definitely use your favorite oil. It just might not be as healthy. And then I'm gonna season this generously. Now I know I see some people out there and they season stuff like that. Come on, you guys, hit it up, give it a real nice, good spice so that you have a lot of seasoning and a lot of flavor in there. Little thigh love, give it a little thigh love. I know my people down there in Uganda and Europe and North Africa are really, really excited about this recipe. So now that I have this mixed up, what you want to do is you want to let it rest, probably for about 5 to 10 minutes at room temperature. Let all the marinade and all the season really get in there to give it a really, really nice, authentic flavor. So now that it's good and marinated, we'll go ahead and lay this on our grill plate. Right now I have my grill probably set at somewhere around 300. You definitely don't want to rush this. And I'm using chicken thighs. A lot of people are wondering why chicken thighs and not chicken breast. Well, chicken thighs, that's the dark meat. So you're gonna have a little bit more playroom as far as you can cook them a little bit longer, and it seems to retain its juices a whole lot better than just your typical chicken breast. So we're gonna lay that right on the grill plates nicely. And no need to put any oil on the grill plates because I put the oil on the chicken, and that should help keep it from sticking. All right, now let's get started on that mango salsa. So I know a lot of you guys struggle with cutting mangoes, so I found a really, really easy way. You actually cut this the same way you would cut an avocado. So what you want to do is, first of all, go all the way around the actual mango, making sure that the blade of the knife is actually touching the core. And then you're gonna go down in that half side of the mango and slice it right directly in the middle too as well, and go all the way around. And now once you got it all cut, all you wanna do is give it a nice twist, just like so. And then I just wanna take the blade of my knife and just run it right underneath that mango and the skin, just like so. All right, now that we got that all nice and sliced up, all you wanna do is just make chunks. So I'm just gonna chunk this. And whenever you're doing salsa, you want the chunks to be pretty small. You definitely don't want them to be too big because they're going on the side of your plate. And if for some reason you guys can't find fresh mangoes, because I know there's gonna be somewhere out there that you're not gonna be able to get fresh mangoes, you can definitely use the frozen mangoes. They're not gonna be as solid, but they're definitely gonna work. So the next ingredient we're gonna add is the serrano pepper. Now I really, really love the serrano pepper because it's not as hot as the jalapeno, but it really has a really nice flavor and it really pairs well with the sweet. A lot of people think that sweet and savory shouldn't go together, but I'm a firm believer, put it together, if it tastes good, it's gonna be good. So all I'm gonna do with that serrano pepper is slice it directly down the middle. It's up to you if you want the seeds. I'm not a big seed guy, so I'm gonna take those seeds right out. The seeds is where all the heat is, but like I said, this is serrano pepper. It's not really all that hot anyway. So we're just gonna make some slices. And if you guys wanna play around and you like it spicy, definitely go ahead and put in your hot jalapeno. If you wanna put in one of those ghost peppers or habanero, by all means, it's your recipe now. Remember, when you're cooking, the recipe is just a base. Feel free to add whatever you wanna add to it and make it your own. And we're gonna slice that up really, really small. Add that right to it. Now the next thing we're gonna do is add in a little bit of this sweet red onion. And the onion is really, really big in the South African community too as well. As you guys see, I'm making a spicy African chicken to go with kind of a mango salsa, so it kind of marries and blends together really, really well. And for those crybabies out there that cry when they have onions, all you have to do is soak your onion in ice water for about 15 minutes, and it should take all the cry out. All right. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of this red bell pepper. Now you can add green bell pepper or any bell pepper that you like. I'm strictly adding this bell pepper because it's nice and sweet, more sweeter than the green bell pepper. And it also is gonna give this mango salsa tons and tons of color. So we're just gonna make nice long slices. Whenever you wanna dice anything, you slice it first, turn it at a 90-degree angle, and you slice that again. And the smaller you slice it the first time, the smaller your dice are gonna be. Oh yeah, that's some good looking chicken right there. I'll actually take out my spatula. All right. Then we're gonna flip that, and that's probably went for about 5 minutes on the grill. As you see, it's nice and juicy. The juices are just falling right off of it. It's got a nice little sear to it. That's what you're looking for. We definitely don't want to overcook that. And I think our chicken is done. Looks like the sun's trying to get to us. It's almost dinner time. I know they're all hungry and ready to go. So we'll go ahead and check on that chicken. Looks like it's done to me. So right before you put that chicken breast in, all you want to do is pull you a little bit of honey in a small jar and then squeeze a whole half a lemon. And that sweetness from that honey and that acidity from the lemon is really going to add a nice balanced flavor to that spicy chicken. Give that a nice light mix. And then just give that a nice little base. It's really gonna give the chicken a little bit of glossiness too, a little bit of shine. Oh yeah. All right, and it looks like that chicken's ready to go. So we'll go ahead and get it out the grill. Oh yeah, that's looking good to me. Some nice, authentic grilled North African chicken thigh. It don't get no better than that until you add in some of that mango salsa. So just gonna add that like so. And I have these chicken, they probably cook for about 5 minutes on each side. Like I said, you definitely don't want to overcook them. You want them to stay nice and juicy. All right. Looks like our corn's nice and done. So what we'll do with that salsa, we'll go ahead and mix that up. And as you can see, it's just got a ton of flavor and ton of color, which is exactly what you're looking for. And then we're gonna take some of that salsa and just spread it right over the middle, just like so. And there you have it, your first North African chicken breast with a fresh mango salsa. I want to let you know that when you're out there and you're grilling and you're cooking, make whatever you want. As you see, we have this Cajun corn, which is totally outside the box with a little bit of cilantro butter. And then we made over here this fresh watermelon salad, which has all the antioxidants that everyone needs to really give you that hydration and get our fire department and police department going. And then we finished it with a little bit of that cilantro butter, which is definitely good, not just on corn, it's good on anything. If you want to put butter on anything and grill it, I would definitely use that just to give it a little bit of extra flavor. So now there's only one thing else to do. We're gonna go ahead and try that African chicken that I've never even tasted before. So let's get it, okay? All right, got the knife. Okay. Go ahead and check on our chicken breasts. All right, we'll go ahead and cut that. See what it looks like. My mom always told me, white meat is done meat. As you see, the chicken is nice and done, cooked all the way through. That's just what you're looking for. Make a couple more slices right there. All right, bring this back up here. All right. Now I'm trying to taste it, so let's see how it tastes. Adding a little bit of that salsa with a little bit of that spicy chicken, which really, really goes together. You got the sweet, you got the savory, you got everything in between. Wow, not spicy, but it's good. I love it, I love it. I love eating it when it's spicy, but not too spicy. So there you have it, you guys. You have your authentic barbecue right here at the Green Bay Metro Fire Department on 9/11, dedicated to all the fallen brothers. We'd like to give all the officers out there thank you, and all the firefighters thank you too as well. All the people in the Metro Department, the ambulance, the whole 9 yards. It was great today. Always remember to stay positive in the kitchen and know that you too can cook like a champion. That's our show. We'll see you next time.